everybody. Hello everyone. This is my first YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube channel. This is my first video. Okay. Hello everyone. This is my first video on YouTube. So I'm making a short video to just introduce myself. My name is Premanjali Nayak. I am a fashion designer and I am going to share everything related to fashion. Of course. So तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ आप सबका to my brand new channel Stylist. So वीडियो बना ही रही हूँ तो let me tell you a trick guys. So I am going to tell you that how to turn a oversized t-shirt into a cowl neck crop top without cutting and stitching. Take the oversized t-shirt and wear it upside down. Make sure the neck is little wider than the normal neck t-shirt so that it can fit your waist properly. And make cowls by setting the t-shirt front and back. And this is the look guys. Also you can wear it as off shoulder top or one shoulder down as well by adjusting it. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. I hope you guys will show some love to my new channel by liking and subscribing. Soon I'm going to share my next video. तब तक के लिए goodbye. और हाँ, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. बाय बाय.